With the growing popularity of wood slat ceilings in the Pacific Northwest, integrating LED linear fixtures can be difficult. Introducing Slate by Axis Lighting. With its patent-pending universal ceiling bracket, installation and integration of LED linears into wood slat ceilings becomes a breeze for electrical contractor. Customize your space with a variety of options including lumen packages, finishes, lensing options, spots, even microcells. It becomes seamless when you're using Axis Slate. Take it one step further with the pendant option from Axis to keep continuity throughout the space and transitioning from a wood slat ceiling to an open area. With 2 different end cap options, the Axis Slate really does it all. If your project calls for WELL certification, we can configure Slate to conform to the UGR required ratings. For more information, please reach out to your local Max 2 Agencies rep.